2011 Ford F-150. This one was an accident, and the driver's seatbelt pretensioner went off, so I'm gonna replace it. And this is what I like to do. If I'm changing the airbag, then checking the wiring to the airbag, back to the computer, to the airbag module, to make sure that everything's fine, or if I need something else. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a code for the driver's seatbelt pretensioner, and I already got it apart, as you can see here. And the tensioner is right there, seatbelt, and there's a connection there. So what I like to do is I like to trick the computer into thinking that it has a good retractor, and I use a one of these resistors. It's a 2.3 ohm resistor. So what I'm going to do is just disconnect that and put that in place, and I'm going to trick the airbag module into thinking that it has a good seatbelt. If it still throws a code for a seatbelt, then it would be something else, something like I would think maybe the module itself, or wiring to it. Let me get this set up and I'll get back with you. Alright, before I do that, I want to show you here some live data. As you can see, the seatbelt driver size is 65 ohms. You can see the driver's airbag, the other one is reading 2.3 ohms. Let me get the passenger seatbelt. Okay, there's the passenger seatbelt and the driver's seatbelt. So you can see the passenger reading 2.2 ohms. The driver is reading 65 ohms because the retractor is bad. It went off from the accident. So I'm going to trick the computer to thinking it has a good one. Alright, with the resistor in place, you can see now it's read 2.34, very close to what the passenger is. And that's the setup right there. It's just getting the connector and just shoving that thing in there. It's not gonna do anything to the terminal, to the connector. You just do it carefully, right? Now the airbag's still on. What I do, I just have to cycle the key on and off, and you'll see it disappear. Let's self-check real quick, and it goes off. No more airbag. So that tells me that the only thing I gotta do is replace this retractor, and it should be good. You can see it again there. Now I use this trick on for instance, if it has a knee airbag, it has a curtain, a side airbag, or the passenger airbag. I put one of those in there just to check the circuit, and they all work. And I've done it in Chevys, Fords, Hondas, basically almost all of the car lines, and it works. To trick in the computer, it has a good system. Alright, till next time.